In today's video, I am going to teach you how to access blocked websites with Google Chrome. Unblock blocked websites. Vertical bar 2023. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You will see the 3 vertical dots menu. Click on that menu to open the main browser options. From the menu, click on Settings. After the Settings page opens, find the Privacy and Security section. Depending on your Chrome version, you may see it listed on the left side, or you may need to scroll a little to find it. Open Privacy and Security, and then look for the option related to Security Settings. Inside that section, find the setting for Secure DNS. This controls which DNS service Chrome uses to look up website addresses. DNS is basically the system that translates a website name into the address your browser needs in order to connect. If your current DNS provider is limiting access, switching to another provider can sometimes fix the problem. Make sure the option to select a DNS provider is enabled. Then choose Cloudflare from the list of available providers. Cloudflare is commonly used because it is fast, widely available, and often works well for browsing. After selecting it, the change is usually applied right away, so in most cases you do not need to do anything else. Once that is done, try opening the website again in a new tab. If the site was being blocked due to DNS restrictions, it may now load normally. If it still does not open, the restriction may be coming from another level, such as your local network, device settings, or region-based access controls. That covers everything you need to know.